Mama! Damn, best I pick it.
Yeah, what's up my squad? I'm back with another lit video, man. So aujourd'hui on son petit SMR. This video is about a SMR, man. So basically I'm gonna eat this pate that I just made. Yes, I just made it, guys. So check out my other video so y'all can watch the full video of how I make the pate, man. That's called Haitian patties. So yeah, we're gonna see how it tastes. So let's get to it, man. So before this video start, make sure you like, comment below, and share it with your friends. So let's see.
I'm missing something, yo. I'm missing something. Wakabli pickles. You cannot forget about the pickles. You have to add some pickles to that thing, man. So basically, this thing is spicy, y'all. It's really spicy. Alright, so it's really spicy. So bag in feel like I was gonna take that thing with my hands, but you know, since I'm on the camera, I have to behave. You feel me? So, second bite. Whoa, you see? You see the eggs that I put inside the pate. I'm tasting this shit right now. Wait. And then if you're Haitian, ou pas manger ça, c'est que ou pas bon haïtien vrai. Grenadier, bah ça va arrêter un jour dans carrément. On prend depuis acheter tout à l'heure. This thing don't last at the house, man. Every time they buy this shit, it be gone the next day. That's how good it is, man. So you gotta try this passion fruit juice, man. It's really good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Oh, hold on. Man, this party making me go crazy right now, man. This party is driving me crazy right now, so. Let's go. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to you. Pate en bon. I'm gonna make. Pate en vraiment bon, guys. Papa no menti. Ça pense des pâtes en GP. Même pas on dit pâte en pâte trop mal. You know, for Haitian parents, they're never gonna give you the full credit. But it's good. They say it's not that bad. But you know, he doesn't want to give me an honest answer, you know, than Haitian. Guys, this is the best part right here. See that eggs? Ooh, more pickles. You have to stuff it with pickles, man. Woo! Passe un bon. Vamos commencer plein. Grenadier me, please. Another one. Let's see. You want some? You know, I don't mind sharing. That's why I leave this big ass plate for y'all right here. Sorry, man. That's why I leave this one. I cannot even talk right. That's why I leave some of the Pate Kode for y'all right here. Okay. When I came up with manger la dan them, you will keep it. Only my sister had some. She told me it was good. The one that was helping me, she told me it was good. So, Papa me fait goûter, il dit bon. So, grenade amis, please. Manger. Pas bon corps, mes amis. See, this is what I'm telling you, man. This juice is so good. The passion fruit one. Hey, you better sponsor me for this video, man. Because that's a good advertisement for you right there. I'm promoting your brand right now, y'all. Well, holla at me, alright? Y'all don't pay me for this video. You see this pattern? It was made for me. I told them I want a big one. I wanted a big one, man, to make that video for y'all. So yes. So I made it and stuff, and then my sister customized it for me. She put the eggs, the other ingredient, the other meat and stuff. So yeah. I'm almost done. What? Pate, ça c'est trop going on. Un commence un peu vrai. Si moi j'ai Haitian te fait comme t'as regardé déjà. Excusez. Ça sent bien. Maman dit, qu'est-ce que m'a posé tête moi? Est-ce que l'autre nation mange bien comme ça? On peut bon manger haïtien comme ça. Parce que là, je try manger l'autre nation, je me dis, oh, manger haïtien plus bon. On peut manger bien ça. Et c'est vraiment goût. Même plat que m'a fait manger. Bah bon, manger, non? Let me get a thumbnail real quick. Yes, thumbnail. Oh my god. That's not bon. This is the last bite. Tu casses la crever, hein, mes amis. Ça me. Allez. Tu casses plus ça côté, hein. On va faire ça par ici. Mange grenade jammy, please. Woo!
Me caca.
Maman! Damn, ben ça a piqué. Ouh. Shit. Ah, oui. La bagarre SMR, ça va pas. On va faire manger haïtien parce que trop spicy. Ah, si vous aimez mes vidéos ça, bon, tu like, commentez. Et puis tout. Nous comme ça pour nous faire déjà. Share ensemble avec les amis nous. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support. For all of you that's been supporting me since day one, man. Shout out to you. You know who you are. So thank you so much. Ah. Oh, back up cough too much, mes amis. Oh. I heard somebody's coming. I'm gonna make them try it. Alright, so I'm done. Thank you for watching this video, man. So, hey, before I go, let me make one of my sister's friends try the pate, man. Hey, can you taste the pate for me?
Taste it?
Yeah.
This one? This one?
I mean, any of them. Hey, come to the camera. I want you to give me your honest, like,
What do you say, Doka?
opinion on the pate, man. So, come on.
Hang it for me.
Come on. Hey, don't answer the answer.
It's good.
You sure? Don't lie. Don't just like.
I swear to God.
Hey, come on. Hey. She said she likes it, so she said it's good.
It's
so.
good.
Alright, so give me like this video, man, and I'm out. So y'all heard what she said, alright? So for those of you that was like, you know, thinking if the party was good or not, well, she gave you an answer, right? So party table. I'm out. Thank you for watching this video, guys.